Snape.
Graeme Snape. And you're the builder of this car, are you?
Yeah. I built it. Yeah, the copy of the American car. Made in the period. You know.
Yeah. And how many years ago was that?
2004, I think it was. We built it.
2004.
But we built it to the regulations of Group K, which were you could build a special at any time.
Yeah.
As long as it was built out of period components.
Yes.
That was in the likeness of something that did exist in the period.
Yeah.
So that's what it's built around. You know?
Sure. And so this is made up of Willys components.
Yeah.
Willys 77.
Yeah, Willys 77.
Yep.
Chassis and running gear. The engine is a side valve, Willys with overhead valve conversion.
Right.
Which was available in the period.
Yes.
But we've supercharged it.
You've supercharged it.
Yeah.
Do you mind popping the bonnet?
Yeah.
Or it's not really popping the bonnet, is it? Except for the latches. Swing the bonnet open, perhaps.
It's a bit different both sides. This is the supercharger.
Yes. And what's the supercharger on?
It's off a copper knocker.
Okay.
It's a blade blower off a copper knocker.
Right.
And it's chain driven from the front of the crankshaft through this drive shaft here.
I see. And that's something you had to invent and
fabricated all that.
Yeah, wow.
Yeah.
And there's not a lot of space to fit something like this. So you always intended to have it supercharged? Yeah. So right from the outset.
It was what was done a lot to cars in the period.
Yes.
Doing supercharging.
Yes.
And I love supercharging. We've got, because we own the old Norman Zephyr Special, you know, and that's supercharged.
Yes.
It's got a 6-cylinder Zephyr engine in it. But no, it's just a good way to get power.
Yeah.
without spending heaps of money on it.
No. And superchargers are, they good power delivery.
Yeah.
Versus.
It's running about 14 pound boost.
Yes.
On full throttle.
Yep.
And we run it on E85.
E85, right.
Yeah. We did originally run it on methanol. But methanol's cranky.
It's a bit nasty on things.
It's hard to get, you know.
Yeah.
You've got to buy a 44-gallon drum of it.
Yeah.
Whereas E85 is reasonably easy to get.
And so suspension, brakes and everything, they're all off the Willys? Or we got a mix of...
The brakes are twin working shoe. The brakes have been modified.
Yeah.
So they work better.
So they work better?
The wheels are originally 17-inch, but you can't get tyres on them.
Right.
So we're using 16-inch. And they're a light truck tyre.
Are they? Okay. And still readily available, obviously. Yeah.
They still work quite well. But I know it's a bit of a challenge. It's a bit of fun. Hey, young bloke.